Okay guys, check out this 2022 Honda CRV EXL all-wheel drive. Very nice tires. It's great gas mileage. This is a rebuilt title. It had damage of like 16,000 miles on it. Sorry guys. And it was mostly mechanical. There was just a little dent in the rear bumper, but it says it did not start, and you see the light, it says the transmission's not working. So but it was at 16,000 miles is when it was damaged. It has like 38,000 miles on it now, so it's been driven since it's been repaired. That always ensures it's going to be a good car. Typically you'll have problems right at the very first when they're repaired. So 37,773 on the miles. So adaptive cruise, steer assist, heated seats, brake hold, obviously Bluetooth. This holds your phone, magnetic. All your different options. Phone. This does have a sunroof. Your lane assist and power lift gate, power mirrors, windows and locks, memory seats, all-weather floor mats, power seats. The LED lights there. Looks like there's something spilled back there. We'll see what we can do to make that look better. Power lift gate. All-wheel drive. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.